What's up? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove the push to start button and installing this brand new start stop button. See, let it focus. Mainly I'm switching it since it can match the steering wheel right here on top. I did get it for a 4th of July sale on Marshy Morrow's Instagram. If you guys don't know him, I'll leave a link to his Instagram down below. He has a store selling a variety of things, mainly for the E92 platform. Carbon fiber splitters, push to start button, a variety of things. You guys can go ahead and check it out. The link will be down below. I will be showing you how to remove and add on this push to start button. Not too difficult, quick, easy mod for like 30 bucks, guys. So stay tuned and let's get it. Alright then, guys, first thing you want to do is remove this whole trim. Slowly remove it from the passenger side. There's gonna be some connections right under here, and then the connection for the push to start. Just be careful removing these cables. I use a flathead since it's a little bit easier. There it goes, and then should be able to come right off. Alright, so this is the back. Alright, this is the back of the push to start button. You gotta be careful removing it. There's gonna be two clips on the side that you're gonna need to remove. It's not, there it goes. You can see them right there. Let's go ahead and start removing them. Alright, so after pushing those two side clips on the side, you should be able to squeeze them and push forward. Alright then, guys, I already took off the little trim piece that was on there. It wasn't too difficult. You just have to pop it off. Just got to be careful not breaking anything. Alright, so let's start taking off the push to start, guys. Alright, almost there. It's trying to pop it off slowly. Just be careful, guys, when you're popping these off. It could break. Popped off. Boom. And don't forget about this little white thing goes behind the push to start, guys. Very important. Now let's start putting on the red one. It'll be pretty easy to put on, self-explanatory. There's this little, I don't know if you guys can see a little line or bar. Basically that goes right on top. Line it up with that. You should be able just to hear all them click in there. And it's in. And then now let's go ahead and reassemble. Alright then, so now since this is in, let's see. Try to focus it a little bit. Alright, since the button's back in and everything, now let's start reassembling everything. Basically the same way you took everything off, same way you put it back on. And then I'll show you guys the finished product of how it looks on the car. Alright? Keep it. Looks good, guys. Matching the steering wheel right here.